Manufacturing is evolving every single day. Technology advances are giving creators a whole new toolbox, and their innovations are transforming how we live. Throughout history, women have played an essential role in driving the industry's progress. As innovators and inventors, leaders and advocates, women have made their mark in manufacturing. Today, women are shattering glass ceilings and opening the doors for a new generation of women creators.
We are seeing more women as role models, more women in leadership roles, more women in board positions, more women as mentors than ever before.
When I first came into my role leading this across J&J, there were very few women in the top job, and we see women taking on now every type of job. We also see with more than 1 million manufacturing jobs open right now, the ability for women to move into areas that have bigger and bigger impact is just huge.
They're sharing their stories, they're making impacts in their companies and their communities. They're leading new technologies, they're committing to new nonprofits, they're engaging in ways that are really making a difference in the world.
Hi, my name is Alyssa and I am an engineering project manager today. I started off my career as a manufacturing engineer after I left the Navy. In college, I studied mechanical engineering, and then I joined the Navy for 5 years. And as I was transitioning out of active duty, I was looking for a job more related to my mechanical engineering field. I decided that I wanted to go with Fresenius, who I'd interviewed with. So that's how I ended in the manufacturing field, and I've been in here for 5 years now.
My name is Mina, and I am the Vice President of Quality and Corporate Social Responsibility at Phoenix. Phoenix is a manufacturer of injection molded plastic packaging. So we make caps, the kinds of things that you would see on peanut butter jars or mayonnaise or vitamins, juices, lots of different things. And I've been working for Phoenix for just over 4 years now. It is constantly and rapidly growing and evolving. No 2 days are the same. There are different problems to solve every day, different things to improve upon every day. And that demands a lot of personal and professional growth, which is this wonderful benefit of being in this industry.
One of the more rewarding aspects of my job is that I'm able to make these process improvements that impact the personnel that are on the production floor and any end user who is actually making or inspecting or doing something with whatever process that I was able to touch upon. Overall, this is important because if those smaller challenges are met and it makes the jobs easier for everyone, then it allows a lot more space to innovate.
I'm Executive VP and Chief Global Supply Chain Officer for Johnson & Johnson. I'm also a proud member of the board for the Manufacturing Institute and the NAM. I've always had a passion for building and creating things. I have a picture that my mom and grandma took when I was, about 18 months old, and these blocks that had been my dad's building and creating something. And for me, that was my first spark. And my folks would say that's when they knew I wanted to be a creator. I wanted to do things. And I share that example just because for each of us, it's not enough to have one spark, though. You need to see that and feel that throughout your education, through your career. And so the ability for us to impact girls and women at so many different stages, I think is one of the biggest opportunities.
The idea of the Step Wins initiative is to create a network of women that can come together to share stories, network, best practices, but also to recruit and attract the next generation of talent. We have honored and brought together more than 1,100 women leaders in manufacturing. We have come together for leadership development training, for an award celebration, but also to share the stories of real role models, of real women throughout their career paths.
So when I first found out that I was nominated for the 2020 Step Ahead Award, I was really excited, but I also felt validated and appreciated, and not realizing that the little things that I thought I was doing actually did make a bigger impact. And it's not just in one ideal role that you might think manufacturing is a variety of roles across the board and all of the support groups and departments that go into manufacturing anything.
Anyone at any level of an organization can add value, can be a leader, can do really tremendous things that make an impact on their business, on their community. You learn and you grow, and that's been true for every single one of the last 15 years I've been in this industry. There's never a shortage of opportunities to learn and grow and push yourself further outside of that comfort zone and demonstrate to yourself what it is that you're capable of.
There's so many different paths that lead into manufacturing. You can be a data scientist into manufacturing. You can love working and putting things together mechanically and be in manufacturing. You can be a great organizer and project manager and be in manufacturing. And that's what's kept me excited and in this industry for more than 30 years.
You can choose what you want to do in your career. In manufacturing, there are a lot of different roles, and even as you start in one, you can still learn about other aspects of it and really find the niche that works best for you and continue to grow your skills and challenge yourself as you go forward.
One of the things that the Manufacturing Institute offers is a mentoring program specifically for women interested and currently in manufacturing. So supporting women throughout their education all the way through their career path. Offering guidance, offering a shoulder, offering all of the best practices and thought leadership that other women are looking for. I encourage you to visit our website at www.themanufacturinginstitute.org or follow our LinkedIn page, Step Women's Initiative. You can connect to women who are already in the industry as well as learn more about upcoming events.
Any one of us who has gone through this amazing experience and journey with the Step Ahead initiative and the work that the Manufacturing Institute is doing, we are all rooting for you. We're rooting for each other. We collectively want to support and experience each other's success, and it's exciting. It's been very fulfilling, and I would love to continue to see other people experience the same.
Discover how you can create your own future in manufacturing at themanufacturinginstitute.org.